Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we will be running through the details about Indian Air Force plan to acquire 5 more Netra 2.0 airborne early warning and control system. This announcement was actually made by Indian Air Force during the 88th Air Force Day, which happened on October 8, 2020. We will also see what are the various platforms which might be considered for this planned DRDO's airborne early warning and control system. Just to see quickly what actually an airborne early warning and control system is all about. It is an airborne radar system designed to detect enemy aircrafts, ships, and vehicles at long ranges and perform command and control of the battle space in an air engagement by directing fighter and attack aircraft strikes. Even though India has inducted the most powerful and combat proven aircraft Rafale in its fleet, we need to see how far it can be used and engaged in any combat or emergency situation. And all these things are dependent on our way of detecting the incoming threats. One of the best proven methods is to depend on the airborne early warning and control system, as these systems are useful in detecting and tracking of enemy aircrafts and unmanned aerial vehicles and many more threats. These systems also enable operators on board and even on the ground to identify, assess the threat, and take actions. We know that DRDO is working on upgraded Netra airborne early warning and control system, which has improved range detection and powerful anti-jamming mechanism. Not just that, they would also be working on a second lot of Netra airborne early warning and control system, which will carry a much more advanced AESA radars. Now, coming to the platform options which are available or being considered for these Netra airborne early warning and control systems are: the first one in the list is the already planned Airbus A330 platform. The plan for acquiring 6 Airbus A330 based airborne early warning and control system came into consideration when DRDO required a wide-bodied aircraft for the new system. The program based on these Airbus A330 platform is expected to induct 2 of them with indigenous radar in the first phase, followed by 4 more additions in the future. The second platform which is said to be considered is the Embraer's ERJ-145 XR, which is extra long range. And this flight was introduced in 2020, and the reason why Indian Air Force is considering these aircrafts is because they have 2000 nautical mile range, which would boost the airborne early warning control system's range. These aircrafts are said to have less fuel consumption, improved hot and high operation capabilities, and higher fuel carrying capabilities for more in-flight time. Indian Air Force already operates the Embraer EMB-145 aircraft, which is based on the ERJ-145 civil regional jet, which is powered by Rolls-Royce AE1 3007 turbofan engines. The main reason for Indian Air Force to acquire these aircrafts is to integrate the indigenously developed airborne early warning and control system, which are manufactured by DRDO. The third platform which Indian Air Force is planning is one based on Airbus C295, but looks like this might take some time since it needs a lot of testing and recertification for a completely new aircraft platform for the Netra airborne warning and control systems. Apart from all these platforms for the DRDO's Netra airborne warning and control system, Indian Air Force is in a final stage to finalize the order for 2 Falcon airborne warning and control systems from Israel, which has been pending for a long time now. These ELW 2090 radar systems, which would be mounted on the Ilyushin IL-76 platform, is expected to be added to the fleet by 2025 tentatively. So that was a quick update on Indian Air Force plan to acquire 5 more Netra 2.0 airborne early warning and control system, and we also saw the various platform options selected and being considered. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.